This is Apple Watch Series 10, and today I'll show how you can use the flashlight on this device. So at the start, take your Apple Watch and power it on, or just unlock it, should I say, or wake it up. Now press the side button once to open the control panel and look for the flashlight icon. That looks just like it does on an iPhone, as you can see. Then tap on it to open the flashlight menu, and obviously the Apple Watch does not have the torch like an iPhone, like the flash, the camera flash. But you can still use it to highlight something, since it just, when you open the flashlight and tap at the screen, it will make it as bright and as white as it possibly can, so you can still illuminate some stuff if you need to do that briefly. And inside the flashlight interface, you can also switch between different flashlight colors. So for example, you can go into, well, not different color, but different pattern. That is the, well, I forgot how this thing is properly called. Like it just flashes on and off. Like the, for example, bicycle light would. Or if you'll scroll or swipe to the left once again, you'll open the red flashlight. So if you need to illuminate some surface or some environment with red light, you can do that using your Apple Watch. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.